In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a fast link chain. Let's create a curve point. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an Extra Objects add-on. I'll press the 3D button, and E to extrude. Let's create a torus. Time to add an array modifier. Let's add an empty object. Select the torus and press Ctrl+A to reset all transforms. The trick is to rotate the empty object like this. Let's add a curve modifier, so that we can modify the shape of the chain by moving curve points like this. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.